waste no time. I just wanna make you mine, baby boy. You know that you're on my mind, that you're on my mind. I don't wanna waste no time. Hey y'all, it's me, it's NISHAA on the scene, and I'm about to make another lit video, Hey y'all, yes, it's me, and I'm back with another video. Do not mind my missing nail, do not mind this ginormous pimple that just popped up on my lip. Well, my, what y'all call this area on top, the top of the part, the skin before the lid. Okay, don't focus on it. I'm hurt already that it popped up, but we still gotta film. So I'm gonna film for y'all, and I really hope that y'all enjoyed today's video. As y'all could tell by the thumbnail and the title, it's gonna be tips and just basically just giving y'all like the little scoop on when you becoming, I guess, a YouTuber. When you officially tell yourself, I'm about to do this, like I'm about to be a YouTuber, I'm about to make YouTube videos, I'm about to have fun, I'm about to do this and that. Once you got to that stage, this is the video for you, because I'm about to put you on about little stuff that you know you should know or have or do becoming a YouTuber or starting YouTube. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and put my post notification bell on so y'all notified every time we go post. And yeah, so let's get right into this video, because yeah, so I got my little notebook. Yes, I got a little notebook. I had to write down a couple stuff because I'm just like, I'm not gonna remember most of this stuff, so I gotta write this down. So in my notebook is the key, period. Alright, so the first thing that you need, obviously, to start YouTube is a channel name. And what I wrote here was that not to make it complicated, because if you want to grow, or like if you could see yourself becoming an actual like YouTuber and that is your full-time job in the future, don't make it complicated, make it easy. It could be long and still easy. I'm not saying make it short, it could be long and still easy. Don't make it complicated, because you're gonna confuse your subscribers. Like, some of them gonna ride or die for you, they're gonna know that name, but most of them, when they like, you know, scrolling through, you don't want them to search up on YouTube that whole name to find you. You just want it to be simple for them. Like, you know, you just don't want it to be complicated. You don't want to be confusing your subscribers that are gonna be coming in, so you got to make it not complicated, basically. So the next tip that I think y'all need to have a theme for your channel. Me, on the other hand, I don't have like a specific theme. Like, I just do whatever I feel like doing that day. So I think I'm under the category of like all. So basically, you could be like a beauty channel, family channel, challenges, pranks, so on, game channel, all that stuff. It could be couples channel, all that stuff. It really doesn't matter what you want to do, but if you want to do it. Just make sure that the theme makes sense and that your subscribers know your theme. Do not confuse them. Do not make them think, what do you really do YouTube for? Like, are you, you know, like, don't confuse them. You're just trying to make it easy for them to just, you know, click your video and watch it and be like, ooh, I like this, this is funny, this is cute, this is nice, whatever they say, and then subscribe. And then, you know, so like, if you're under the category like how I put myself as all, let them know that you post all types of content, so they won't be confused, they won't question you, because you told them from the jump that you will do everything. So period. Next tip, make sure, well, you don't really have to have this, but I feel like it's something that you should have, because like it's YouTube and like they ask you to put it in. So you should have an intro, you should have an outro, you should have a banner. Those are the three things that people mostly do get when they first start their YouTube channel. And yes, you do not have to pay somebody. You could go ahead and make your own little banner, your own little intro, your own little outro. It does not have to be this amazing advanced banner, this amazing advanced intro and outro. You really don't have to do that, because like, who really cares? Like, once it's cute and simple to you and you think it's cute, keep it. Like, don't try to be like other people and, you know, do too much. So I definitely will recommend y'all to go watch my video. It's how to edit videos on your phone, and I'm gonna put the link in the description. In that video I basically explain how to, like, what I used to like make intros, or what I used to make outros, what do I use to do banners and stuff like that, so y'all could just help yourself out. I got y'all. Yes. And also make sure that your banner, your intro, and your outro kind of hints what your theme is. So let's say you're doing beauty, throw a little, you know, brush in there on your banner, put a little makeup brush, put a little eyelash, whatever, put a mascara thing, you know, like just put a little hint so they can know, oh, so she does beauty, like this is cute, da da da, you know, stuff like that. If it's gamer, put a little game control, whatever you be playing, put the game that you mainly be loving, you know, like a little logo, all that stuff, you know, have them know, oh, he played Minecraft, I bet I like Minecraft too, let me like watch, you know, like catch them, pull them in, period. Next one, you do not need a camera. I don't care what nobody tells you. No matter what somebody tells you, you do not need a camera. You're gonna eventually want to get one in the future, but to start a channel, I don't think that, if you don't have the funds, I don't really think that you need to invest in a camera when you first start, because you have a phone. Like, if you don't have a phone, then okay, that's a different situation. Okay, you gotta talk to your parents, you gotta talk to your grandma, you gotta talk to your grandpa, you gotta talk to somebody and let them hook you up with either their phone or you get a camera, because at that point I don't know what to tell you. But if you have a phone, like, use your phone camera. If the quality is not good enough, ask your friend to use their camera, ask your cousin, your auntie, your brother, your sister, whoever, and just use their camera. Like, if you really want to be doing YouTube videos, you're gonna find a way to record. You do not need a camera. Do not let anybody tell you that you need a camera. You do not need a camera. That's what I'm saying. You don't need a camera. Like, right now I'm recording on an iPhone X, and I've been recording with my iPhones. Years ago I've been recording on my iPhone 6, iPhone 6 Plus, all that, and I'm still recording on iPhones because I haven't invested in a camera yet. But you know, if anybody wants to surprise me with a camera for Christmas. Anyways, let me stop blabbering. I could talk for days. So the next thing, y'all need an editing software. So I definitely recommend iMovie, because that's the perfect software for beginners. It's the easiest software that I've used to like learn easy, I guess, if that makes sense. It's the only software where I could say that is the easiest to learn. That's better. See, a girl, she practicing her words for y'all to understand, because I be confused sometimes. Anyways, so I definitely recommend iMovie. iMovie is easy to like figure out compared to other editing stuff. But as you like grow in your channel, you become more advanced, you can explore, search up different softwares, different stuff. I still use iMovie till this day, and I'm probably always gonna use iMovie till whatever day. But if y'all want to expand and like purchase an editing software, go for it. Always, like, you know, don't let nobody hold you back in investing in your self. Like, don't let anybody hold you back from investing in a camera. If you really want a camera, go buy a camera, but you don't have to get a camera. If you want to invest in a ring light, go get a ring light. If you want to invest in lights, like photography lights, go invest in it, because at the end of the day, it's your money. You're investing in yourself, because you can see yourself going big in the future. And yeah, okay, one thing, always make sure that your YouTube videos are 10 minutes or more. And a lot of people already know this, but I know a lot of people that don't know it, so I'm just gonna remind y'all. Always make sure your YouTube videos are 10 minutes or more. If it's not, then whatever, you could put one ad in it and that's fine once people watch it. But I definitely recommend 10 minutes or more, because when you first start YouTube, you're not automatically monetized, so you can't make money. But like when you reach, like, I think it's 4,000 watch views and 1,000 subscribers, once you hit that and you get monetized, all of your videos can automatically be monetized once you don't have a copyright claim. That's another one we're gonna talk about. But once you don't have a copyright claim, it can be monetized. So basically having the 10 minutes or more on your videos just increases the ads. So you can place as many ads as you want in your video. You can place 10, 15, as many as you, y'all know what I'm talking about. If you watch YouTubers that have that are monetized already, you can tell they put ads in their videos along the way, and that's because they have their video that's 10 minutes or more. If it's less than 10 minutes, you can only put one ad, I think. Don't quote me on that, but it's not as much as you could pay. It's 10. So yeah, consistency. This is like one of the things that I still struggle with till this day, but I'm going to tell everybody that you need to be consistent. When you first start YouTube, you cannot be like those other huge big YouTubers that only post like once a week, twice a week, once a month. Like, you can't really do that because you're not really known yet. So you want people to know who you are, so you're gonna want to post at least every day or every other day. I kind of be messing up on the consistency, so don't watch me, y'all. I'm just tears. But y'all, stay consistent, please. So the next thing is tags. When you upload a video, like when you're uploading a video, before you like put it public or before you press upload, it will have a section on a laptop. You can see it on the phone, you can see it, whatever, and it asks for you to put tags. You don't have to put tags, but I recommend you to put tags because this is where your people are gonna come in. Okay, so what I recommend you to do, the first thing you put in your tag is the title of your video. Put the whole title of your video, no spaces, just put the whole title, because if somebody accidentally, you know, comes across your video and they like it, they can always just search up that title and then it's right there. You know, it's fast, it's quick, it's easy for them. Also, put tags like where you're from. Like if you're from LA, put like LA. If it's a funny video, put comedy, funny tag. If it's a couples video, put boyfriend, girlfriend. You could put goals and all. Like, y'all could drag it with some weird stuff. Like, it don't even matter. You could put couple goals, relationship goals, and tags, just to have all those type of people that like that type of stuff come to your videos, you know. So definitely put your name as a tag, because people will search up your name and you want it to pop up. Put tags like each word from the title that I said, type out the whole title. Put each word in that. It really does not matter. Just have fun with the tags. Don't overdo it now. Honestly, I can't overdo it because nobody's gonna really see it, but just have fun with the tags. And if anything is missing, you could go back and add a tag. You know, you just want people to be able to search it up. I'll search up anything and just find your video. So that's why I recommend y'all to do tags, because that's where you're gonna get your subscribers. Trust and believe that. Okay, y'all, so I don't really do this because I don't really give a fuck. But if you're somebody that you know you can't handle the hate comments yet, or you can't handle like negative comments or whatever yet, because eventually you're gonna have to deal with it if you know want to do YouTube, because people are always gonna hate. It's always gonna be that one person, or two people, that three people, that four, whatever people that's hating on you over something that doesn't make any sense. So you're gonna have to learn how to deal with it. But for now, what you could do, you could still do that when you're, you know, up there. But one thing I definitely recommend y'all to do is it has a section in when you're uploading it, just like I said, tags, and it does ask you if you want to block any certain words from being commented on your videos. So like, let's say you don't want to be called B word, you put the B word, you know, like certain stuff like that, and the person comment automatically is not shown, it's not there, so it helps you out. But I recommend y'all not to really do that unless like it's that serious, because it's like, who cares? Alright, so this goes into motivation and how to not like lack in motivation. Basically, I do go through this. I know a lot of my friends that do YouTube, a lot of people I know personally that do YouTube, and I know they go through this a lot. But this is for y'all too that's watching it, and for anybody else that wants to start YouTube, do not stop. Like, keep going. Like, do not let anyone stop you. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. None of that. Just keep going, because at the end of the day, you started for a reason, and the reason you started should always be the reason you don't end. Okay, period. Okay, so one thing is, don't rely on the comments, the likes, the views. This is something I low-key kind of be struggling with too, because you know, I am human, we're all humans, and we all be struggling with this. When you try to do YouTube, you kind of do take it personal when, you know, you don't get no comments, no likes, no views. You know, you get a little emotional because you put so much effort and you edit the video, you do all of this, and then it's just like, damn. But you can't let that get to your head, because at the end of the day, you just started, and eventually you're gonna grow, and it has to be stuck in your brain, stuck in your head at all times. So do not rely on any of the comments, likes, views for your validation in the YouTube community, period. I think that's it. Let me see, did I write anything else, y'all? Last but not least thing is to support small YouTubers just like you, or smaller or bigger. Just support each other, because at the end of the day, y'all all are struggling at the same things. Y'all all want the same things. Y'all all want to become the same things. So it's like, why not have like not a team, but like a group of people that you know that do YouTube, that you can hit up here and there, you know, talk to and be like, oh, you know, like chit chat. Just support each other. You don't even have to text each other, you don't have to talk to each other. Just support each other, you know, give it a little like on their video, comment a little, that's cute, you know. Just support each other, because at the end of the day, you're gonna want support back, and you're not gonna get support back if you're not giving off that good energy, period. And one thing I will always say, no matter how low somebody's subscribers is, you could have 10K subscribers, and somebody with like 500 subscribers might, you know, hit you up and be like, oh, can we support each other, da da da. Do not ignore that just because you feel like you popping. Like, no, because remember, at the end of the day, you was just like that person. So don't do that. Don't be rude. And you never know when that person's gonna blow up and they gonna look down on you like, ooh, I'm sorry. Like, I don't care who you are, how old you are, what race you are, what age you are. I think I said how old you are already. Anyways, what nationality you are. I don't care about none of that. If you want to do what you want to do, then do it, and that's period, and nobody can stop you. I hope y'all enjoyed my little tips on, you know, how to start a YouTube channel and the stuff that you should know starting a YouTube channel and stuff like that. And if y'all enjoyed, give me a thumbs up. Y'all know the deal. And yeah, bye y'all. Baby, you got me wrapped around.